So how are you feeling today? You happy? Sad? Angry? Apparently, according to scientists, and they don't really agree on this, there are either 6, 10, 12 or 27 basic emotions that we as human beings have. And those 6, 10, 12, 27 are broken down into even more emotions and feelings. So how are you feeling today? How are you feeling right now? And looking back even on this day, have your feelings changed? You can get up feeling all positive and happy, can't you? And then you go down to the kitchen to get your breakfast and you find that the dog's messed all over the kitchen floor and you tiptoe around it trying to get your cereal or your toast or whatever, and sometimes the positivity of the day that you first had suddenly goes. And then you get a bad mark for a piece of coursework, or a friend blanks you, or suddenly we're locked down again because of coronavirus. And all these things affect how we feel. Feelings. We all have them. They're complicated. And they change sometimes minute by minute. Because our feelings are affected by circumstances. I'll let you into a secret. I can get really angry when I drive. I could be perfectly happy, tootling along in my car when all of a sudden someone pulls out in front of me. That's bad enough, but then they decide to go really slowly. My first reaction is to shout. I make sure the windows are closed before I do it. And then I start to chunter to myself. I feel myself getting stressed. Anger comes, and the anger means I drive right up to the back of the car, intimidating them. And I get angrier and more stressed. Can't help feeling like this. Have you ever heard anyone say that? Or maybe you said it about yourself. It's that car driver. They made me angry. Did they? Did they really? They did something stupid, annoying, even dangerous. But it's me that's chosen to get angry. You see, feelings are affected by circumstances, but we all have a choice how we respond. And that choice will determine how we feel. So let's play my scenario again. The car pulls out. Go slowly. Instead of shouting, I acknowledge the stupidity of the person in front of me. But I choose to stay calm. I back off, literally and metaphorically. I don't let anger take control. In fact, I take control myself. So today and every day, all sorts of things will happen to you. You may get a bad mark in a coursework assignment. Or you may get a good mark. Your friend may blank you, or they may welcome you. They will affect your feelings and emotions. The question is, are you going to be a thermometer or a thermostat? Because a thermometer and a thermostat do two very different things. A thermometer takes the temperature. It is affected by the environment around it. Is it hot or is it cold? In the same way, we can be affected in our feelings by the environment around us, the things that happen in our day and in our lives. A thermostat, on the other hand, sets the temperature. It's that little dial in your house where you can set the temperature you want the heating to come on at, maybe about 20 degrees. My family get really cross with me because I don't let the heating come on until it gets really, really cold. When we think about our feelings, we need to be a thermostat, setting the temperature, and not a thermometer, that takes the temperature. To be in control rather than being controlled. So what are you feeling right now? What is making you feel that way? And what are you going to do about it?